Hello everyone, welcome back to Vastrakala by VS Creations. Over the past few videos, we have been watching some stitch-based designing, especially on the modern and contemporary designs suitable for home decor and living spaces. In this video, we shall see how to work another simple and very versatile flat stitch, the herringbone stitch, which finds a lot of application in many traditional embroidery styles as well. Let's see how to do the stitch. Bring the needle out on the upper line and insert it on the lower line a little towards the right side and make a small stitch towards the left with the thread below the needle. Next, insert the needle on the upper line a little to the right and take a small stitch to the left. These two movements are worked throughout. For best effect, the fiber lifted by the needle and the spaces between the stitches should be of equal size. I have already shown the contemporary application of this stitch in an earlier video. To see how it can be adapted and used to a traditional art form, let's first learn a bit about Phulkari, the unique embroidery form of Punjab. As the name suggests, it literally means flower work. The mere mention of this word conjures up a picture of a vivid, luxurious embroidery done in a riot of colors. The traditional fabric base that was used for embroidering was khadar, and the embroidery itself was done using silk floss. The rough and coarse fabric of the Phulkari symbolizes the hard, tough, and yet vibrant and colorful lifestyle of a Punjabi woman, while the embroidery done with silk floss portrays her dreams and aspirations. The most commonly used motifs were geometric, such as triangles, squares, vertical or horizontal lines with darning stitches of different colors or directions. The other motifs included trees, flowers, fruits, animals, household items, and jewelry, etc. The distinguishing feature of Phulkari is the long and short satin or darning stitch over countered threads from the reverse. At times, running stitch, chain stitch and herringbone stitch is also used to make some borders, etc. You can check out the video links of these stitches from the description box. The most unique feature of this embroidery is the soft untwisted silk floss called pat that is used. The untwisted yarn spreads after being threaded in the fabric and covers the surface, lending a rich silken texture to the work. To transform a plain blouse into a designer garment inspired by Phulkari, I chose a plain dark colored blouse. So I used this untwisted silk thread or pat to work the design and decided to use only the herringbone stitch with the traditional colors that are generally used in Phulkari. Also demonstrating a line of herringbone stitch with the silk floss to show the design effect it can add to. I have just added a couple of mirrors to make the design little more interesting. In some upcoming videos, we shall see some easy and simple ways to fix mirrors and the stitches that can be used for the same. For the outlines, I have used the chain stitch. You too can try giving a designer touch to any garment of yours by doing some simple embroidery like this with the usage of just 1 or 2 stitches. In these tough times, these kind of activities can be a great refresher, filling our mind and spaces with positivity and peace. Hope you all liked this video. Like, share and subscribe to watch more such tutorials. See you all soon with a new set of stitches and their design application ideas.